This is the BBC MicroBit, a physical computing tool that children can program using this block-like language. This is Microsoft MicroCode. On the MicroCode website, we also have this simulator, which lets us to test our code. And we can hear the melody and see the smiley face. Once we're happy with our code, we can download this to the MicroBit. And the code stays on the MicroBit. So once it's got a battery, the code will still run. MicroCode is a new programming tool for the MicroBit. It uses icons in tile shaped to code the MicroBit's features. Here, the online tool works in the same way as MicroCode. We can code on a web browser and download to a MicroBit. But you'll notice there's not a lot of text here as well. So children can just rely on what the icons look like to code. But what we really want to use MicroCode is away from the computer, away from the tablet, the mobile phone. We're going to use this in a portable controller called an arcade shield. So using the buttons of the shield, we can program the MicroBit. So if I just keep pressing A, we get the most simple program of when you press button A on the MicroBit, it's going to draw a smiley face. As well as portable, we have live programming. So that is immediately, that code is there. So the feedback is immediate. MicroCode uses when do to program. Here are some of the when commands. And here are the do's. A new feature of the MicroCode project is the ability to code the MicroBit to act as a remote for different MicroBit robots. So this controller is going to program this MicroBit to act as a remote. So when I press A, it's going to send a signal over the MicroBit radio to these MicroBits, and that will mean go forwards or go left or whatever it is that I've coded. We can also receive signals back from these robots about the different sensors on board, for example, this distance sensor. And we can pair the robots. So I want this controller to work only with this robot. So I'm going to put these in group 1, and I'm going to put this one in group 2, so the messages won't get mixed up. We do get some feedback on the MicroBit on the robot as well. So if we turn it on, you'll see that we have some dots here on the MicroBit screen. So the long line is the distance sensor. So when objects get closer to it, the line disappears. And the 2 dots underneath are the line sensors underneath the robot. So I've got my hand over the one there, and then I don't. So under the robot menu, we have commands to make it go forward, fast forward, reverse, left, right, stop, to control some of the multicolored LEDs on these robots. Then under when, we also can detect walls and use the line sensor. The MicroCode project allows children from a very young age to learn to program a real physical device like the MicroBit and an array of robots. This experience can take place without the need for a host computer or access to the internet. The programming is live. It provides immediate feedback for the children. Live programming is known to help improve self-direction, increase engagement, and show novices how to apply programming concepts. We believe being able to code robots live with a portable device will help build resilience in children when learning to program. Thank you for watching.